Hey guys, my name's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you like my current eyebrow routine. It's really quick and simple, and I have like super thick eyebrows naturally, so I really don't need to do that much. But I found a way that I like how they look, so I just wanted to share that today. Yeah. Why am I so awkward? Okay, so my hair looks kind of crazy, but it's out of the way, so I don't really care. Okay, so my current eyebrow product is the ColourPop Brow Boss in the shade Soft Black. I used to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, but I found that like it was really hard to work with, and then my eyebrows were turning out really like boxy and like super filled in looking. So I found brow pencils are what works best for me. So first, I just start off by taking the caps off because got to get to the product, obviously. And then I just like to use this spoolie that comes with the brush, and I just like to go through and brush up my eyebrows and then kind of shape them down how I want them to look in the end. So I'll just take the end of the spoolie and kind of smush it down because I have really long eyebrow hairs. Okay, so then I'll just take about like this much of the product out, and I start by drawing a line under my eyebrow. So I'll start at the front and just work my way to the end. So I found, okay, I can't talk while doing this, but what I wanted to say was that I found when I put just a line under it, it makes my eyebrows already look like 20 times better and filled in. So I really don't have to fill in like my entire eyebrow. That just makes it look already like put together. So once I do that, then I want to go on the top and put a line there. So I'm just kind of outlining my eyebrow, but I don't go at the front of the top of my eyebrow because that'll make your eyebrows look really boxy. And then I'll just lightly fill in the tail of that eyebrow, like any sparse areas that I have mostly, like right here. And then I'll take the pencil, and at the front of my eyebrow, I'll kind of mimic some eyebrow hairs. So I'll just kind of do like short strokes upwards from the bottom line I put there. So it just looks like my eyebrows are a little more full here without making them look boxy. But that's pretty much it for now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eyebrow off camera. Now that I've kind of filled in my eyebrows, I'll go through and just spoolie them through one more time just to make sure there's no like huge like clumps of product, so it looks a little bit more on the natural side. Then what I like to do is take this e.l.f. clear eyebrow gel and mascara. It doesn't really matter which side you use, it's like the same thing. And I just apply that on my eyebrows, and then once again kind of shaping them up how I want them. And then I'll do the same thing to the other side. And this just like keeps my eyebrows in place for a long time. And this product is really affordable, so I like it. Once I put on the brow gel, I'll go in, if I'm doing eyeshadow or something that day, I'll go in and I'll use the LA Girl Pro Concealer because the way the applicator is, it's really easy to underline your eyebrow. But I'm not going to be putting on eyeshadow right now, so I'm not going to do that. But that's what I would usually do. So this was so fast, so simple, but my eyebrows look good in my opinion. So that's my eyebrow routine right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.